हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग फाइन। आपको भी ऐसे जल्दी जल्दी कैलकुलेशंस करनी है, जल्दी पेपर सॉल्व करना है। बिकॉज बेटा मैथ्स इज व्हाट, मैथ्स इज नॉट अबाउट टू लर्न द कंसेप्ट ओनली। मैथ्स में आपके मार्क्स कब और अच्छे आ सकते हैं जब आप कैलकुलेशंस फास्ट करोगे, और कैलकुलेशंस फास्ट करने के लिए यू हैव टू अप्लाई सर्टेन ट्रिक्स वेयर आई विल हेल्प यू। सो today we will learn few tricks of mental maths and Vedic maths. So let's start with the multiplication of zeros number. Whenever we need to multiply a zero number, what we need to do? Here, first sum is this. Now, few of you may solve it like this. You will write the bigger number, then smaller number you will place below it, then you will multiply zeros by 0 0 0, then 4 stable 0 0 0, and then 4, then you will add up. So it is time consuming. Now how can we do it in our mind, or how can we do it without doing these many calculations? फटाफट से कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? You just need to count the zeros. 1 0 in both the numbers, both sides. 1 0, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 zeros are there. Place 4 zeros here. Now see the number part. Here number part is 1, 4, and here it is 1. Multiply them. 4 ones are 4. Here is the answer. Similarly, if we need to multiply this, first step, count the zeros. 1, 2, 3. Total 3 zeros. Write the zeros. Then multiply the number part only. 2 multiply 3. Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number part, 6 fours are 24. Right? Now, trick number 2. It's Vedic maths tricks. Now, if we need to multiply a number by itself, if it has 5 at one's place, अगर हमें किसी ऐसे नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है उसी नंबर से जिसके लास्ट में 5 है, जिसके वंस प्लेस पे 5 है, उसको कैसे कर सकते हैं? नाउ इफ आई नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई 25 by 25 कन्वेंशनली, तो कैसे करेंगे हम? 25 we will write here, then here, then we will multiply like this. This 5 5s are 25, then 2, then 5 2s are 10 plus 2. Like this we will multiply by our old method. Now how can Vedic maths helps us to solve it in mind? 25 multiply 25. Firstly, we need to multiply these 5. 5 5s are 25. Then write a number next to it. 2 के बाद क्या आता है? 3. Multiply them. 3 2s are 6. This is the answer. So last में 25. Then इसका नेक्स्ट नंबर, इसको मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है. We need to multiply this digit by its next number. 2 3s are 6. Right? Here 5 5, and you need to make sure both the numbers should be same. So 5 5s are 25, then 6, next digit 7. 7 6s are 42. Here is the answer. Nice. So we can apply this only if we need to find square of a number having 5 in the units place, or in simple language for छोटे kids, छोटे बच्चों के लिए बता दूं कि अगर हमें किसी ऐसे नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है सेम ही नंबर से जिसमें 5 आता है लास्ट में, तो वी कैन अप्लाई दिस ट्रिक. Write 5 25 here, then next number multiply, write it here. Clear? Now next Vedic math trick is, if we need to multiply any number with 11, it's very easy. So we need to multiply 17 with 11. What we need to do? We need to write these two digits here, leaving one space in between and this. And what we will write here? Sum of these two. Add these two, write here 7 plus 1, 8. Simple. Now, if we need to multiply this, simply write this and this, leaving one space. And in between, write the sum. 2 plus 5, 7. Now, how we will do if we do not get the sum of one digit? कि अगर suppose इनको add करके कोई 2 digit का number आएगा, then what we will do? Here, what we will do? 92. So write 2 here, 9 here. In between, 9 plus 2 is 11. Now we cannot fill one space with 2 digits. So what we need to do? 9 plus 2 is 11. One digit we will write here, 1 here. We will add one digit in this. 9 plus 1 become 10, then 2. Only one step extra is there. कि कैरी ऑफ दियर एडिशन विल गो विद दिस. इन दोनों को ऐड करके जो कैरी आएगा वो टेंस वाले में ऐड हो जाएगा. When you will do practice of few sums, you will be able to crack it easily. So here answer will be this. So है ना simple. So this was all about today's tricks. Only 3 tricks I told you. Multiplication with zeros number, then 25 25, or the numbers to be multiplied by itself if it has 5 at ones place, and then multiply with 11 with any 2 digit number. In next video we will come up with such more tricks, very interesting tricks. Last video I told you a trick to write tables of 2 digit numbers. I hope you all have seen it and it was helpful for you. So if it was helpful for you or these tricks you find it good, so please do comment so that I can make more content for you. In last video I also told you कि अगर आपको कोई भी टॉपिक आपको डिफिकल्ट लगता है, अगर ममाज ये वीडियोस देख रहे हैं आपको डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है, किसी को भी अपने बच्चे को कुछ करवाने के लिए कोई भी टॉपिक जो उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, please do comment. I will make it easy for you how you will make your child understand this. Thank you, and subscribe my channel and like my video if you find it helpful. Bye bye.